Hello and happy new year, happy 2026. Hope you're all doing super well. Before we start rolling into gardening videos for this upcoming season, I wanted to slow down for just a minute or two, share a little bit of reflection, and then also a little bit of light on what to expect and what's to come over the course of 2026. And also introduce you to somebody that you met a little bit earlier on the channel. In December, it was the official 5-year birthday of Mind and Soil. 5 years of creating Mind and Soil, the videos on YouTube here, and just really cool where it has come and gotten to. And as I was reflecting on that 5-year journey and the garden that I've had in my backyard, it stood out to me that it's kind of gone through a couple of iterations. And when I think about that first chapter, I really kind of alluded to the garden as the mindful garden. It was where I went for peacefulness with restoration, really just to like recharge my batteries. And that is without a doubt, first and foremost, why I fell in love with gardening. Now, the challenge that presented is that all of a sudden when it becomes something that you're depending on, relying on, your source of income, when you turn passion into profession, it also kind of changes the dynamic that you have with that passion. Whereby for me, it almost felt a little bit disingenuous to be trying to share these mindful or restorative videos when I was working really hard on the garden. And that was something that, I believe that I just kind of shifted away from over time. And that really ushered in the next version of kind of Mind and Soil. And again, like really how I view my garden. And what I would call that version is really like the test garden. I think that this is probably what a lot of you know me for, is all of the experimentation, the trials that I've run, both inside the seed starting area inside, as well as of course out in the garden. From a kind of like gardening philosophy perspective, this has been my favorite way to go about gardening, because each and every time that I'm running one of these experiments, I'm getting new learnings, new insights that are allowing me to get bigger and better harvests each and every season. But at the same time, at a certain point, you've done a lot of the experiments that you're really interested in. And I've found myself kind of like stretching for experiment ideas just for the sake of creating another experiment video. And so it feels like the right and natural time to be looking for what is the next iteration of Mind and Soil and the channel. And so with that being said, I want to bring into the frame somebody who you met a little bit earlier on this season, Josiah.
Hello, how's it going?
Good. So if you saw our garlic experiment video earlier this year, we grew 3 different types out at his property. And that was the first time that we had Josiah on the channel here. And what I'm super excited to share with everybody is that in the background at that time, we were in the process of figuring how can Josiah actually join me and the channel in a full-time capacity to start kind of lending a hand with the channel here. So maybe share a little bit in terms of how you're gonna be lending a hand over the course of the coming season.
Yeah, so behind the scenes, thumbnails is kind of what I've been doing, right? Really excited to dive in and just be the behind the scenes guy of filming, doing the photography, editing the videos together, all that kind of stuff, and just taking some load off of your workload and allowing you to focus on the bigger picture of the channel.
And then another piece that I'm really, really excited about, I don't know how it fits into the picture just yet, but Josiah is like the most incredible chef, classically trained, had a restaurant, the whole shebang. So I don't know what that side's gonna look like yet, but I'm very excited about it.
Yeah, I think it's huge. I think it's a natural step of we're growing food. You have a big garden that grows food, I have a big garden that grows food. The channel's all about food. We should probably figure out a way to.
But we don't. Yeah. But we don't publish anything about what to do once you have it. Totally. And so it's gonna be interesting to see how that comes into the picture. So for 2026, where are we going with the channel? What should you be expecting? And the completely honest answer on this is that we don't have the definitive final choice made yet. And so in this video, we're gonna share kind of like the 3 options that we're weighing. And I'd love to hear down in the comments which one you're most excited by and would love to see us bring to life. So option number one is really kind of continuing as the status quo, that being very heavily focused on experiment videos. Rather than like one common thread through a season, it's focusing in on specific experiments that we run over the course of the year. Now the second option, which is one that I'm really excited about, is I've now gotten all these learnings over the course of the last 5 years. I'm really curious to see how much can I actually grow in my backyard, in my garden. And so what that would look like is effectively a 1,000-pound challenge. Can we grow 1,000 pounds of produce in my backyard garden, document and share the whole journey with each and every one of you. And on top of that, give away every single pound from that harvest to individuals in my community in need. So that is idea number two. And now for the third idea, Josiah, why don't you take it away to shed a little bit of light?
Yeah, so I mean, as we talked about in the garlic video that I did with Jordan earlier, is that we have 5 acres. My family lives on 5 acres, and it's kind of like a little bit of a hobby farm right now. We have a pretty decent garden, but there's also a ton of space that isn't being used for anything, and we have a lot of empty space. So we're throwing around the idea of maybe taking a chunk of that empty space and starting from absolutely nothing, bare ground, building out a full garden within a year, and who knows what that looks like, raised beds, trellising, all the whole 9 yards, and doing that same concept of like setting a goal of how much produce we're gonna pull out of there and what we can give away from that as well. You and I have been talking a lot about the community aspect of Mind and Soil and how important that is to you. So there's lots of little opportunities to use the garden for good and to give away to the community. So.
Yeah, that's definitely one of like the things that I can feel this chapter including is like, what is that giving element to it? And how do we share some of this with the community, families that could benefit from it? So let us know down in the comments which of those options you'd be most excited to be following along for this upcoming season, option 1, 2, or 3. And then the one other piece that I just quickly wanted to share before we wrap up, and I alluded to this last year on one of my updates, was kind of this craving for more connection with the community, as Josiah just alluded to as well. But obviously a lot of us are not in the same location. And so I'm really, really excited to share that I have now officially kicked off my online gardening club that I'm launching, Grounded. And so the thing that I'm so excited with this is that I get to now connect with each and every one of you, help you out, and get to know you on a personal level through the live calls, the private community, all of that type of stuff. And my goal with Grounded for this upcoming season is to collectively, as a gardening club, us grow 10,000 pounds of produce in our backyards. So if you're wanting to feed your family, get more coming out of your garden, and share the whole experience with a bunch of like-minded individuals, then I would love to get to know you and have you in the program. You can head to the link down in the description here or scan the QR code on the screen, and I can't wait to get to know some of you even better in there. So that's everything. It's gonna be a super, super exciting year here. There are a lot of videos that are about to start coming out on the channel here. So we'll be seeing you all very, very soon on those videos. And yeah, really excited for the ride ahead here over the course of the season. See you guys.